Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. I just received my design team package for Rosie's studio, and this is their new collection that has just arrived in their store, and it's called Pocket Full of Sunshine. And I'm going to put the link down below to take you to their store if you're interested in purchasing this lovely new collection. I haven't actually had a good look at it, so I thought I'd do it in this video and we'll have a look at it together in case you also may want to purchase the paper collection and their coordinating die cuts, stickers, also what else does it come with? Some of their chipboard embellishments as well. So I'm going to have a look through and see what is in this lovely collection. And I'm also going to do some projects and tutorials using this paper pack as well. So hopefully you will come back and join me to see some of the fun projects that I will make with the lovely papers here. And I'll also link their Instagram for you in case you would like to get some inspiration and have a look at some of their other collections that they've used for their projects. So let's have a look. So this is the 12 by 12 paper pack that you get. So it just gives you the lovely prints that's included in the pack, and you get 20 sheets. So there are 20 designs and one foil page, 12 by 12 papers, and that's here at the bottom. But I'll just go through the well, let's have a look at the papers, and then I want to have a look at some of their die cuts. I also have the 6 by 6 paper pad as well. So we'll have a look at this beautiful paper here. They're lovely blue tones and yellow tones. It is single-sided, and the paper weight for the 12 by 12 paper is a good, it's a great thickness to work with for projects, and they fold easily, and it still has a nice paper weight to it. So this is the first beautiful floral print, which I just love. So I haven't gone through all of the papers myself. I'm just going to put this here. Side of the table, and this is the next one. It's like a gingham pattern in blue or light blue color. Beautiful colors. This is a yellow with some florals. This is another nice one too. This one has some lovely foil leaves amongst the paper. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's some lovely foils in here. Then we also have this one. Just beautiful prints. Rosie Studios has some gorgeous papers, and they're so easy to work with. Oh, this is lovely. I love these. Are all lemons. Here in Australia, we're just starting the first month of spring. So September is our first month of spring. So these will be just lovely papers to work with for our spring season. So you get quite a few papers in here. You get one of each pattern. This one. This is another lovely floral. And a lot of their background papers with the plain patterns just work well with all of the papers that you could work with. Oh, sorry, I missed that one. There's that one. Got this one. This is the prettiest one. The little butterflies on here. These ones have like a little pocket shape with some flowers coming out of the pocket, which works well with the title of the collection. There's this one. We have this one. These ones are just words in the background. And we have this last page. So these are all the 12 by 12 papers, just beautiful papers. I cannot wait to work with all of these. or work with some of these papers, and then hopefully you'll come back and join me when I share with you some of these projects, and I'll have some tutorials as well. So these were the 12 by 12 papers, and I'll show you the 12 by 12 paper pad. Sorry, the 6 by 6 paper pad, and these are the die cuts and the chipboard. I'll just show the chipboard quickly. These are just your alphabet chipboard pieces. You get you get one front and back. So these are great for embellishing. And these are 2 different packs of die cuts. One has a sentiment pack and one is an ephemera pack. And I'll have a look at those shortly. But I want to have a look at the 6 by 6 paper pad. You get 40 sheets, 20 designs, and 6 full pages. And these are the images that tell you what's inside. I'm just going to quickly let me just. Oh, it's already open. Let's have a look. And these are also single-sided. So the paper prints are the same as the 12 by 12 paper, just in a 6 by 6 size. I just love these papers. Just beautiful, soft tones of colours and patterns. So these are just pretty much the same as the 12 by 12 papers that I showed you. And I think you get 2 of each in a pack. And there's some extra papers in here that are not 12 by 12 paper, but just beautiful papers. So that's a 6 by 6. And then we have here some of the a big pack, and on the back of the packaging tells you what's inside. And you get, I think you get, I'm not too sure, could be wrong, 2 or 3 of each of the pieces that you get here. There are just a whole heap of these. So let's just have a look at the sentiments quickly, and let's see what's in here. And look how many you get. There's just a lot in here. Just going to go through quickly to see what we have here. Friendship. I'll try and put these back afterwards. Oops. Oh, look at these cute little teeny postcards. They're so cute. These are more words. It's a whole bunch of words, and there are some die cuts in here as well. But these ones are just all words, which are great to decorate your projects. So you get 2 of each of the die cuts. Here's another 2 more. This is cute. I like that. Some little flag banner shapes. Some more. It's another pretty one. 2 of those. And there's just some more here. So just a lot for you to have fun and play with these. And I'll just open up the last pack to see what's in there as well. Just try not lose any. You can see there are so many in here. Look at these ones. Get these. I did make a folder in one of my last videos where you could store your embellishments and just keep them together, and then it just saves you from going through the whole pack. And I made it using one of the other collections by Rosie Studio, and I thought that's just another great way to store your die cuts and the sentiments. I'll see if I can grab it. You've probably already seen the project if you had watched my last one, but this is the one that I made using the Bayfair collection. It's like a folio folder. I've got this, sorry, with that, and So inside, this is a pocket here in the front where I've just placed some of their die cuts from that collection, the eBay Fair collection. And then there are 3 pockets here, 1, 2, or 3, where you can, store your little mini ephemera pieces. There is another pocket here on the front for your long word sentiments, and then there is a large side pocket for the embellishment packs and sticker sheets. And you can just place them in here, so they're all just kept together. So you've got your whole collection kept together in the folder. And then I made a smaller one, which is this one here for your other extra pieces. And there's a pocket here in the front to store some of the ephemera pieces. There's a deeper pocket at the back for your larger die cuts, and a couple more pockets here as well. So this is just another great way to keep all your ephemera pieces together. You can just keep them all in your little folder. And I'll put the link down below to the project for that if you would like to make one. This one here is the ephemera pieces, which I love. Their ephemera pieces that coordinate with the papers are just beautiful, and it just makes it so easy to make a project when they all coordinate together. And I just really can't wait to see it. I'll just show you. So these are all of the fun die cuts that come in the pack, and it is full. Definitely a pocket full of sunshine in this pack. I mean, look at all of these. There's just so many. Does it tell you how many? It contains 196 pieces. And that's a lot. I mean, look at that. Isn't that just adorable? Lots of lovely flowers, heart shapes. Beautiful, cute little house. What else do we have here? Heaps of lemons. A lovely envelope full of flowers inside. There's 2 of those. These are cute little Polaroids. I think it's that way. That way. And there's some little postage stamp shaped die cuts. Some cups, coffee cups. Some more flowers. Butterflies. Something for any, there is something here to make for any project you want. Some gorgeous, look at these. My mind is racing with so many ideas that I could make with these. So let's just lay these out. So I just thought I would do this video, and we'll have a look at it together, and we can see what's in the collection. I hope you enjoyed this little mini haul of Rosie Studio pocket full of sunshine, and I will be back with some fun project shares and tutorials using the paper pack and die cuts. I'll link everything down below for you, as well as the project that I just showed you to make the folder. So I hope you enjoy watching this whole video, and I'll see you shortly. Bye for now.